It's a 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Built with an eye toward fuel economy and a right foot toward performance. Features include integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive notes that everything is easy to reach and operate. The materials are nice, the seats are supportive and comfortable. There's plenty of room in both the front and rear seats, with comfortable seating for 4, capability for 5. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.